Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cut stand Rubber Ducky to complete the Ducky Paradise Rod Skin quest in the new Fish It update. After you accept the quest from the Duck Boy in the underwater city like this, you can immediately start fishing like here in this area, in this underwater city. No need to go anywhere else, and this fish like this, it looks like this, and this fish a rare tier fish, so you don't need a high-end rod to catch it. A medium rod and medium bait are already good enough, and all you need to do is keep fishing in this spot until you collect 10 rubber ducky. And once you reach 10, the quest will automatically complete and you will instantly receive the duck rod skin as your rewards. And this is what the rubber ducky looks like. It has a yellow color like this. It's so cute, I think. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.